How do we define addiction? Well, the formal definition of addiction is it's a problematic pattern of behaviour using alcohol or other substances that results in impairment of life and daily distress. So what does this actually mean, impairment of life? Well, it could be having hangovers that get in the way, work, all the way up to actually somebody who's addicted to heroin and can't function because of that. However, what's worth noting is that some individuals can maintain really, on the outside, picturesque lifestyles. They maintain competitive salaries, they're looking after their family, and they're returning home each day looking like they're functioning, yet silently underneath there's immense distress and there's immense addiction there as well. When we're thinking about addiction, we need to think about it from lots of different perspectives: psychological, biological, the body, the social, the physiological, even the genetic, and they all come together to create addiction. So when we're doing therapy, and I do another video on this, we think about all these different areas. But just to touch on the biological, it's very powerful, the biological. There's actually brain changes that occur in addiction. And what happens is when there's a reward given multiple times, we release dopamine when we get that reward. And it strengthens the association between that particular substance and taking that behaviour, and actually even the emotional state. Now, this can go as far as with food as well, or even things like self-harm. But when this behaviour is done, or the rituals around that behaviour, it creates this reward feeling. Now, this is a circuitry in the brain that just increases in its power. And when it really takes hold, it can actually weaken our ability to think executive functioning, to think and actually impulse control, regulate ourselves, manage ourselves. So the more that this dopamine circuitry takes hold, the less ability that we have to manage that and step out of it. However, therapy can be very, very effective in understanding all these different parts that come to form an individual's addiction and actually help break out of that. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe. And if you're looking for therapy, you're welcome to visit our website, malvernhillsprivatepractice.co.uk. We do have some therapists that specialise in working with addiction, helping people break free. You're very welcome to fill out a self-referral form, and that goes through to us, and then we can allocate the most suitable therapies for you. Thank you.